All right, to get this off, you have to come over here and take off this assembly. And there is a bolt down here that's 10 millimeters. Hopefully you can see it at the tip of my finger. Carefully unscrew it. And then I had to take this hose off. Well, I'm gonna take this hose off. So you squeeze these clamps, slide it back, and then slowly and gently work it back. Slowly and gently work it back. And what I used was my trusty little hose tool, which fits like this. And just gently, remember this is old plastic, really old plastic, just gently do it. And then I took a screwdriver, remember the word gently, and gently worked it back. You can see how I'm doing it right now. Gently worked it back. Side to side, take your time, you're not in a hurry. You're not trying to break something that's going to cost you thousands of dollars. And once you get that done, this easily pulls off. The whole assembly flips up, and then you get to the throttle body. Now, what was interesting is that this was loose. Now, did it make a difference? I doubt it. But one of the nice things about doing your own work and checking it is you can discover that sometimes people miss things. You will miss things. The mechanics who work on the car will miss things. There's a chance to make sure everything's good. I'll be back. So once you get the intake away from the throttle body, you're obviously going to inspect it. Now, I have been told repeatedly, be gentle with throttle bodies. They are delicate instruments, be gentle. So you can see the edge is dirty. Hopefully you can see in there. Let me get the rag out of the way. It's dirty. Man, these shadows are hard. So how I clean them, and I'm not saying this is the right way, is I take throttle body intake cleaner and I spray it on a rag. And then I take it into the throttle body and I start gently cleaning. And you can see there's the dirt. Now it's a little hard to film. And you just continue to do that until it's nice and clean. Now this is somewhat hard to film, as you can imagine. It's in a tight spot. But you just continue to clean and clean. Be gentle with the throttle body. You can already see how I'm getting the schmutz off the edge of the throttle plate. Now, it is going to be the edges here that you really want to get clean, as well as the cylinder which holds this. We'll be back. So, I should have mentioned, I'm not getting any error messages that indicate the throttle body needs to be cleaned. And the car drives beautifully. It is, after all, an LS430 engine, a 4.3 liter. But just to give you an idea of how much dirt and gunk is in the throttle body, this is the result of cleaning it. Now, will this make a difference in performance? No, but it won't hurt performance. And also, while I'm in here doing all this work, I might as well clean the throttle body. It's easier than tearing this apart 2 or 3 times so that I can get the throttle body cleaned. I'll be back.